guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla Mingo and my energy, guys, is so high today. I'm feeling so excited and you're probably wondering why I have so much energy. I have lived in my pajamas for days like I'm sure many of you have, and so an opportunity to put on some clothes and to put on some makeup and get dressed up just made me feel happy and just kind of brought me back to life. That's why I have so much energy today, because I feel so cute. But anyway, I am staying home, I am staying safe, and I pray that you guys are staying home and staying safe as well. Today's video is my family room decor tour. I'm going to show you the entire family room, all of the colors I've chosen, and the different pieces and elements. I've used warm and cool colors. This family room is a little bit country, a little bit modern. I'm excited to share with you what I've done. Hopefully it will inspire you to create a space in your home that is cozy, inviting, and a place where you feel happy to be in. And so being happy in a space is all about texture, all about color, it's all about fabric. And so when you're choosing things for your living space, you really should pick things that you love. And please hit that subscribe button below if you haven't done so. Don't forget to like and comment. You can also follow me on Instagram at I am Carla Mingo. So yes, let's get started. So this is the before picture of my family room. As you can see, I have a lot of warm colors. I have dark hardwood floors, a very warm fireplace, and the color of my paint is called Mocha. I'm not sure of the brand. And then the kitchen has grays and warm colors as well. So this is the before of my family. So I decided to choose colors that would be a contrast to all of the warmth I have in this room. So I chose like grays and cool colors. I went to Bassett Furniture to make all of my selections for my furniture. As you can see, there are a lot of grays and blues and charcoal gray and creams and a lot of various colors. So this is the entire family room. As you can see how all of the colors blend together beautifully. Over here I chose a steel gray color accent table, and then on top of the table I just added some books from Tuesday morning and some shiny objects like this little brass flower and this very shiny lamp that looks very modern to just kind of give it a little bit of sparkle in the room so that everything's not flat. So this credenza is like a steel gray color. It's very cool, a very stark contrast to the warmth of the walls and the floor. And I just added a pop of blue here because that's my accent color for my room. And then I added some little shiny balls just to give it a little bit more sparkle, candle, and of course a word block. This credenza came from Nebraska Furniture Mart. I will link everything below so you can see where I bought everything. But this is how it looks with the cool and the warm colors together. My fireplace is a very grand fireplace. It basically is all stone to the ceiling, and it's a very warm fireplace with warm colors. So the accent pieces I used was very neutral. I didn't want to add a lot of color. I wanted to keep it very simple and clean. So I chose this basket from Kirkland's and I filled it with some very neutral colored pillows and a little throw, just to give it a cozy feel. I added a little tray and a lantern that I also got at Kirkland's in basically neutral colors. On my fireplace mantle, I used white vases that I got at Kirkland's with some greenery. The white really contrasts the warmth of the fireplace. And then just some other little accent pieces as well. The mirror is a mirror that I got at Nebraska Furniture Mart, and the mirror really helps open up the room and just really makes the fireplace stand out. So I love how this came out. It's very simple, not a lot going on, and it's still very cozy. Over here is a little sitting area, and I have 2 accent chairs that I got from Bassett Furniture. And these chairs are swivel chairs that also rock. So it's really nice to sit here. You can turn toward the TV or the kitchen, and it's just really nice. The fabric I chose was a fabric in like a gray chenille with a piping in the color stone. The stone piping really brings out the warmth. This accent table is very modern and contemporary. It also came from Bassett Furniture as well. And the chairs are just nice and cool with a little bit of warmth on the trim, which is very gorgeous. Love these chairs. This vase is just beautiful. It came from Pier 1, and it has a rustic look with blues and grays and bronze. And I just added a little pop of greenery with white flowers. The white is really crucial to really making this room cool. So with my window treatment, I decided that I wanted to go with some Hunter Douglas Nantucket Easy Rise blinds. And this allows me to be able to open up the windows so that it looks completely clean, like there's just nothing on it at all. And I love how I can have this open concept, and I can also have privacy if I want to close them. And it's so subtle that you really cannot barely tell that there's something on my windows. I know it's kind of dark in this video, but it's very clean, very simple. And so I have the option to have it open like this, or if I decided that I want to have a little bit more light coming in, I can just pull on the blinds and it creates this look like you have blinds when you really don't. It's really a window shade. And so this is a nice look as well. And then if I want it completely closed, I can have it completely closed. So it gives you a lot of options for your windows if you don't want the traditional blinds. This is how the window looks with it completely all the way up. As you can see, it looks like I have nothing on my windows. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is my sectional, which came from Bassett Furniture as well. I chose to go with a like tweed, gray tweed color for the fabric. The name of the fabric is called Fog, and it has like a little gray and a little bit of cream to really help tie in all my colors. And then I chose some different texture pillows with some grays and some blues to just kind of pick up all of the natural colors I have in the house. I chose a very large sectional that allows my family to sit and gather and watch movies and be cozy. And this sectional is just so comfortable. The rug is a sort of a shag cream rug with a diamond pattern in it. And I just love the fluffy look it gives to the room, and it just makes the room so extra cozy. And it's really not hard to keep clean as well. I mean, it's just nice. It's a nice contrast against the dark wood floors to have that sort of light colored rug. So this is the entire room. As you can see, all the colors blending together very well. And this is my before aerial view of my family room. And this is the after. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the tour of my family room, and there are more videos to come. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye-bye.